Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Okay. Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm doing a video. If you see my last video, you know that I used artificial intelligence to come up with my new hair color, and this is what it ended up looking like. A hot mess. I mean, it's also not that bad, but I just really do not like it. I think it's just too light for me, you know? I think there's not enough drama going on. So today I'm going to try and fix my hair and make it look a little bit better. I'm not going to do like anything like super crazy to it. I'm gonna stick to like the same color scheme. No color removers, no bleach. Just semi-permanent hair dye. And I'm gonna see if I can improve it a little bit. Also, my hair is so fluffy today. I don't know why it's doing that. Super fluffy. Let's just get started. Hey. I encountered a little problem while I was editing today's video, and that is the footage of me explaining what I'm going to do to my hair completely disappeared. It's gone. It doesn't work. It's not there. It sucks. So I'm just going to explain to you right now what I'm about to do. Because otherwise it will be a very confusing video. Also, yeah, I look like this because my hair is already dyed and I don't want to show you yet. It has to be a surprise. Little spoiler, it looks absolutely amazing and I'm obsessed. Anyways, what I was saying is that I didn't like my hair because it was just like too simple, not enough drama. So basically, my idea is to add more of the dark purple that I had on the back of my head because I absolutely love that color. So I already made a few sections that I'm going to dye the dark purple. I'm going to do like different like streaks to make it, you know, a little bit interesting. And in the next clip, I'm actually making a new section on the back of my head of like the part that was already dark purple because I did such a bad job at dyeing that I'm like redoing it, you know? So, yeah. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dye my hair. Now I think about it, you probably didn't even need an explanation because this is all very easy to understand. I'm just going to dye my hair like I do every 5 seconds. Okay. Bye. Hey, I'm on my floor. Because this is the place where I have like 2 mirrors. I have a mirror over here and I have a mirror over there. So I can actually see what I'm doing. So let's see if I can also like show you what I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay, I hope you can see better now. So yeah, I'm just going to try and fix it with my hair dye and my brush. You can see it now, right? I don't know if you can hear me though, because the microphone is in the other direction, but okay. So let's find this section. So yeah, let me dip it in the mixing bowl. Well, it's not a mixing bowl. Let me just dip it straight into the jar. I hope this is the right hair dye, by the way. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure this is the one I used. But I got 2 of them and they're both like very similar. Anyways. Oh, yeah, make sure you can see it. Gotta be so careful now because I don't want it to like get into the rest of my hair. Gee. Okay, first section is done. Perfect. Beep 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 beep. Okay, so 1 section is done. Now I'm gonna tackle this and this part. And I'm going to dye that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use like the leftover periwinkle that I have. And I'm going to mix it with the lychee. And I think I'm just going to put it all over my hair. like here, to get rid of the blonde parts. Would that be nice? I don't know actually. Ah, we'll see. I feel like the pigment might actually not be like strong enough. Because you can still see like blonde peeking through. But okay, whatevs. Whatevs. Then onto this side. Gee. Okay, let me clip this up because I think I'm gonna make this like dark. Yeah? Okay, let's do that. Ah! Fuck. My hands are so slippery. No. Ah. Oh, very nice, very nice. This part is gonna be dark. I'm gonna make like this part over here dark too. I think that's gonna be cute. I think, not sure yet. I love that color, boy. Okay, I think it's fingers crossed, but I definitely think that this one is gonna turn out way better. I mean, I hope, but I also think so. I feel like it's gonna look cute. It's gonna look cute for sure. Oh my god, look, I did such a bad job at dyeing it. Holy shit. That's actually kind of insane. Oh no, oh no. Okay, then onto the last piece, which is the front one. Probably also like the most important one. I gotta be careful. It's still a little bit blonde over there. I don't like that. Shit, I gotta make sure that the middle section is like perfect, because there's no way going back once I mess up. I kind of already messed up. Do you see? I like put my dirty fingers on my light hair. Okay, I think I'm actually done for now, because I don't want to go too crazy, because then I'll probably mess up. So I'm just gonna first see how this is gonna end up, and if I don't like it, we can like add more hair dye. I'm gonna be responsible this time, okay? So yeah. Let it sit for half an hour, rinse it out, and then I'll be back. Oh, fuck. Hey! Oh my god, you guys. I'm actually obsessed with my hair. I think it looks so good. I did not expect it to turn out this good. But it's like, it's perfect. Almost. I mean, not perfect. But it's like close to perfect. Just look at it. Just look at it. Can you see it? Is it like light enough? Do I need to brighten the screen? Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? Do you want to see my hair? Look at my hair. I love it. Oh my god. It's so nice. And I barely did anything. I just made like a few strands darker. But it just has like a very big effect. Dark here, light here, dark there. Shit. I haven't seen the back yet though, but I'm pretty sure it looks good too. I don't know. Wait. I don't know. Does it look good? But yeah, this might actually be my best creation so far. And the length of my hair too, like it's finally a length that I like. I'm just like wearing it down all the time. Because I used to just wear it in a bun like every single day. But now I'm doing it like this. And I love it and it's cute and I'm obsessed. Shit. Yeah, I've been complimenting myself for too long now already, so I think I'm just gonna leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye. Ciao.